Did you know that your kitchen sponge is the dirtiest object in the house? It is 200,000 times dirtier than your toilet seat. Shocking, right? The average sponge hosts 362 different species of bacteria. Not exactly something you want to be washing your forks and plates with. Another reason not to use them? They take 52,000 years to decompose. Ugh. You may be asking yourself, what other option do I have? The answer is Spongik, a zero-plastic 2-in-1 sponge set. This comes infused with chemical-free dishwashing soap and smart features, which let you know when you need to replace it. It also comes with a dryer which instantly absorbs moisture and dries bacteria out to keep the sponge clean. How? Good question. The dryer is made from diatomaceous earth, which is an organic material with antibacterial properties to sanitize the sponge between uses. Its compact size makes it easy to store, standing upright, laying horizontally, attached to the wall or between the kitchen sink and the tiles. It's completely up to you. Its gentle textures don't scratch surfaces, and its flexibility reaches those hard-to-reach corners in glasses and bowls. The best part? Spongik is made from cellulose, cotton, and hemp, all biodegradable materials which are environmentally friendly. Get your hands on Spongik, and let's keep our planet clean together.